Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. It's Sean from Style It 24/7, where we talk about everything fashion and you showing up and being the best version of yourself 24 hours, even when you're at home, because when you look good, you feel good. So without further ado, let's get started with this video because I really wanted to talk about some basic essentials to help you to elevate your wardrobe. This is not a capsule wardrobe by any means. These were pieces that I picked out that I felt would be relevant for this video, that would help you to elevate even your capsule wardrobe if you wanted to, or your year-round closet. So without further ado, let's get started with the first basic essential. So the first basic essential I recommend is bodysuits. This is a bodysuit from Saint Laurent. Now I'm talking about bodysuits that are taking your wardrobe to the next level, okay? So this one is all lace. It goes with a number of colors. So I could wear this under a red suit, a green suit. I can do this with leather. The possibilities are endless here because this is a neutral color. The next bodysuit that I wanted to show you all is from Alex NYC. Not only is bodysuits in, but turtlenecks are in as well for the fall months. So this one is green. And then I have this red one. I saw Kendall Jenner do something for Givenchy and she had on this all red look and it looked like a red bodysuit. So I ended up purchasing this one and it has this beautiful cutout at the back. And then the last one is very casual and this has a little cutout for the thumb. It's really cool underneath a Moto Jacket, and that's another basic essential too, is your Moto Jacket. A Moto Jacket is super duper posh when you're wearing an all leather outfit or even a dress, like a business casual dress, and putting this on top. What I love is the hardware on this. I can wear this to go and have a meeting, and I can just throw this on top of it and some knee-high boots, right? If I want to wear this going out, girls' night out, solo date night, whatever it is, it just makes it look super duper cool, and throw on some really interesting glasses or sunnies. It just depends on what time of the day, and then throw my little red Chanel classic flap on and I'm good to go. So I love to buy professional wear because I have the type of life that I have, but also because I know that with professional wear, I can change it out and I can make it work for me even for whatever occasion that I have to wear it at. Especially if it's a girls' night out or a brunch, or which tends to be my lifestyle too. Just go after what can work for you versatily. It doesn't always have to be just grab one trouser and make it work 7 different ways. It can be looking for a slew of items. It doesn't have to be professional. For me, it's professional wear, and then I can tailor it how I want to, make my tweaks to make it work for the things that I have to do that's not so professional. Let's talk about leather pieces in your wardrobe as well as a basic essential, whether it's a leather jegging, Moto Jacket, or even if you went with a leather dress. And I remember talking to you all in my fall 2023 trends video about leather, all leather outfits being on trend. This one is from Jonathan Simkai. It is a leather dress, but the thing about it is you can wear this as a jacket and it still has the tags on it. A lot of the times when there's a sale, even with my Alex NYC or my Wolfords, or anytime there's a sale, I take advantage of it. I may not need it in the moment, but because I know that I will eventually wear it, I end up taking advantages of sales. Yes, I will be wearing this though this year with some red knee-high leather boots. Another essential is overcoats and really interesting pea coats, jackets, that kind of thing. So wanted to show you all a few. This velvet jacket is from Amani. Really love this. And this one I thrifted. This is a Michael Kors piece. It's more like a cape jacket. Really love Michael Kors. Again, a slept-on brand. But I will tell you, his pieces are absolutely glorious and they are quality pieces. And this one is another velvet jacket I picked up from Amani as well. This last piece is color. It is from Amani too. This has a lot going on, but I've had this for 2 years. I absolutely love it. I dry clean it all the time. I wear this as a cardigan. I can rope this and wear this with leather pants, leather shorts, and some knee-high boots. The world is my canvas with this. Your wardrobe doesn't have to be neutral if you don't want it to be. You can actually interject color with pieces that you would wear all year round. I don't really get caught up with trends like that where I'd say, okay, I love trends. I love to see how I can make the trend work for me, but I'm not gonna stop wearing my clothing because the trend has ended. Like, that doesn't make financial sense, right? And we still wanna be financially responsible. On my portable light back working, let's see how long it's gonna tarry with me. But the other basic essential I wanted to show you all is boots. And I talked about some of the underrated boots at Hermes, but I also wanted to show you all a boot that I purchased. I'm still waiting for my knee-high boots that I ordered from Saint Laurent, but I have a pair of boots that I just purchased from Michael Kors. So whether it's an ankle boot or a knee-high boot, boots are in, definitely. And it also depends on the weather, because in Dallas, sometimes it can be really hot and other times it's cold. It fluctuates. The same with LA. Now New York, when it's cold, is just frigid. That's just what it is. So there's the differences there. Wasn't expecting to buy boots. There was some sunglasses that I saw. I bought those too. So here are the boots. And look how fabulous these boots are. Imagine these boots with anything that you're gonna wear, whether it's hosiery and a nice wool like skirt, which Michael Kors has, or if you're wearing it with trousers, or if you're wearing it with leather legging pants like what I'm wearing from Saint Laurent. It just depends. You can style this so many different ways, and it has the MK all throughout, but this is just fabulous and it's comfortable. I ended up sizing up so that I can actually be comfortable in this boot. Now, scientific perspective, physiologically, we don't want to wear heels for very long periods of times. So if you can find yourself purchasing, stiletto heels so you can look cute for a couple hours on an outing, but also having flat boots that you can wear also is going to be key so that you don't have a lot of wear and tear on the body. So definitely going after flat boots. So I ordered 2 pairs of flat boots, and that one from Saint Laurent, this one, and then one from Hermes. And that's all I'm doing for boots. I'm not gonna go boot ham. I'm looking at what meets my needs and what works with my wardrobe. Trench coats definitely are in for the fall winter. My trench is from Michael Kors. Again, Michael Kors, I love his brand. I love Ralph Lauren, I love Michael Kors, Carolina Herrera. Those are some of my favorites. And what I really love, Saint Laurent too. But what I really love about this is it was not extortionate in price. You put a hoodie on the back or you can take it off. Oftentimes I wear it without the hoodie. It gives versatility with the trench, and I dry clean this all the time. I've had this for a year now, and I definitely was so excited to pull this out from the bin and just, I have a bin that I put my winter clothes in, and then you pull them out and you get everything lined up. This, I was too excited to pull back out. While we're on the topic of Michael Kors, I also wanted to talk about another key basic essential that's going to elevate your wardrobe, and that is sunglasses or some sort of eyewear that's very interesting. I'm just going to show you these that I went after and ended up with those boots as well, but these are so fabulous. They are bipolar, they're acetate, they're super duper lightweight, but they are so chic. These remind me of the Andrea from Celine. A red lipstick, it just looks good just even with this on, and that's why I really love these sunnies. So imagine the boots, the trench, it's going to be a vibe. Talking about overcoats and all of that jazz, I wanted to show you all this one. This was thrifted as well. This is from Collections, and I wore this at New York Fashion Week. I'll tell y'all, I bought this really big so that I can wear it as a long style coat. End up DIYing this pocket piece. It made it a flower and used a button for the middle, and I wear this. I interchange this a lot on different things. In this photo, I'm actually wearing the skirt as a top underneath this jacket, so that's really a skirt. That's not a top up by any means. And if I do want to wear it as a skirt, I still can wear it as a skirt. It's just how I had it fixed in the back so that I could actually wear it as a top. Be versatile with your closet. Have fun this fall and this winter. So my light died again, but scarves is another really great basic essential to elevate your wardrobe, whether you go with wool or you go with silk. This one is from Carolina Herrera, this one is from Hermes, and then this one is from Johnny Cota from Making the Cut. I love scarves. I ordered a wool scarf from Hermes that I'm hoping to get here before I leave, but I don't foresee it because I leave tomorrow. But going in and getting scarves that's going to keep you warm, that's going to add interest to your wardrobe. That's what it's all about. You know, play around with what you have in your wardrobe, see where there's gaps, and if it fits your lifestyle, fits your needs, fits your budget, then go after the pieces that you actually know that you need. For me, I went through my wardrobe today, and I'll tell you, one of the things that I realized that I don't have enough of are skirts. So I would like to get a few wool skirts. I would also like to get wool shorts and leather shorts because I don't have those things. And I would like to get a leather skirt. But these are the things that I see that are gaps in my wardrobe that I actually needed to get. For me, I didn't have boots, so I decided to go and get me knee-high boots, get me ankle boots, get me flat boots, get me some with stilettos so I can interchange and rotate those out. I can't even tell y'all how many times I tried to film this video, and finally it actually, everything is working, except now my light has decided to leave me. But I'm gonna push through, and I hope that this video you can appreciate and it did give you some insight, some inspiration, and I'll see you all in my next one. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I hope to talk to you all in the comments below.